Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so in this video, we're gonna go over the 5 things that you must sell in order to be successful in any of your craft businesses, especially laser. So before we get into that, I wanna let you guys know, and maybe you wanna know this, maybe you don't wanna know this, but I think this will be helpful for somebody in the off season or just when business gets a little bit lower. I do print on demand. So I've been doing print on demand for about 3 to 4 years now. And as you may know already, maybe some of you already do this, you create a design and then you can upload that design on a t-shirt or a canvas or a cup or a book bag or whatever. It truly is unlimited. So you do a design, you upload it to like a Printify or Printful or something like that, and then you can sell those prints. And the beautiful thing about print on demand is that when you get a sale, they will create that item and ship it for you. So I just want to throw that out there, that just in case somebody out there needs it, when you start getting into those low months and you're not selling much and it's getting cold out and your laser, whatever it may be, then turn to print on demand, because that can be passive. You create it, and then if you have something good, that can just sell without you having to do much. So, okay, so the 5 things that you must sell in your craft business, especially if you have a laser or a Cricut. The first thing is this: it must be related to the seasons. Okay, so there are people out there, fanatics is what you call them. And that's not a bad word, just a fanatic, somebody that really likes something a lot. So they can be a summer fanatic, winter, fall, spring, whatever it may be. You just want to make sure that you're selling something that is not seasonal necessarily, even though seasonal does come from that word season, which means it's one of those 4 things. But I'm not saying just seasonal as in bikinis or something or swim trunks. I'm saying season in particular. So these sunflowers on this dangle earring. All right, so this is a mama dangle earring. This is walnut hardwood up here. And then this is acrylic down here. And it's printed acrylic. So this is a dangle earring. We use stainless steel jump rings, 2 of them. And then up here will be a stainless steel hook. And it just goes right in and it dangles right there. And people love them. So, and the thing is, like I said, they buy these in the summertime a lot of them. We sell lots of them in the summertime. So that's one example of a product that's related to a season that you want to make sure that you're selling. So it does not have to be an earring. It does not have to be a mirror hanger. It can be anything with this type of print. It doesn't have to be a sunflower print. It could be a butterfly or something. And then, like if you do print on demand, you could do print on demand things and sell all types of summer prints. So anyways, that's number 1. The next one is sport related. You want to make sure you're selling sport related things, and you can do that all year long. So this one won't be seasonal. It could be if you're niching in one sport only, but we don't niche in one sport only. So we're able to sell all year long with all the different sports. So here's an example. This is the same style dangle earring. So we got the clear acrylic down, well, the printed acrylic on the bottom and the walnut hardwood on top. Engraved up here is Coach now instead. And this is a niche for a coach. So it's a double niche. This is for sports baseball. The sport is baseball, and it's for a coach in particular. So anyways, there's going to be a stainless steel hook right here. Go on the ear. You got the stainless steel jump rings. It all looks good. You see that? So that's number 2. That is number 2. You want to have something sports related. It does not have to be the earring. It does not have to be baseball. It does not have to be for a coach. We have another one that actually says mama on it. So that other design you just seen, the sunflower that says mama right here, well, we actually put this on here too. So then this is what the coaches will get, but the players' moms would want to buy this too. So we put mama. We'll also put the number here of whatever the player is. So that is another one. Okay, and for number 3, you want to do something holiday related. Now this is the obvious one. This should be the most obvious one. This is where you're going to make the most of your money at anyways, for the most part. So you want to do Christmas, okay? That doesn't have to be Christmas, but it can be. And then you want to do Thanksgiving. we do a lot of sales in Christmas and Thanksgiving. So holiday related, it can be one of those two, but it can be Halloween, Easter, Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, Father's Day, whatever it may be. It can be anything. And I'm telling you, there's like 100 holidays out there, both official and unofficial and worldwide. So if you're able to sell in China, in Germany, in Russia, and Antarctica, can you sell in Antarctica? I don't know. Comment below if you can sell in Antarctica. That's a quiz question. I don't know the answer. Yes, this is a big one. You definitely want to do holiday. Now, number 4 is a really, really big one. Animals. People love their animals. And here we go. This is for like the homestead people, farmers. Has some chickens on it. Oh, shaking. Got chickens, hens, and little chicks, and then you got like some leaves and stuff on it and vegetation, whatever. So you want to do animals. You definitely want to do cats, dogs, horses, fish, things like that. People love that stuff. Okay, you have to do it because some people don't have children, so they call it fur babies. Fur babies. They have their little dogs. They have their little cats. That's their children. So they want to make earrings to show that they love their animals, and they want to make Christmas ornaments with their dog's name on it and stuff like that. So you definitely want to do animals. If you're not doing animals, you're missing out. Okay, so we're on number 4. If you have all those things, then you're off to a great start. Okay, and number 5, one of the biggest ones, trending. See, because when you do something that's trending, people are typing that in on Google, YouTube, Etsy, Pinterest. They're typing that in. They got fire behind their fingers. They're just typing that stuff in so fast. When you do something trending, you could sometimes tap into a market of 100,000 people searching per month. It can get crazy. So here's one. And some time ago, earlier this year, there was a trend going on with honeycombs. So I got onto this website and got the acrylic. I looked for the honeycomb acrylic and I got it. And then we made these honeycomb earrings. Okay, so these honeycomb earrings were flying off the shelf. We couldn't keep them on. So this is just a piece of one. It's since then slowed down. That's one thing that you keep in mind with trending products, because that trend is going to do a huge spike and then it's going to drop off sometime. But the thing is, if you can catch the trend at the right moment, then you'll make a lot of money and a lot of sales. So this was one of those trending products, and you just have to do the search yourself. Figure out what's trending, just what's popular. You can type that in Google, what's trending, what's popular. So this was trending at the time. I don't think it's trending anymore. And actually right now, here's a nugget for you. I think that the mushrooms are trending right now. So go on Etsy, type in mushroom, whatever, use your Everbee extension, and then see if mushroom earrings is trending right now, or mushroom sweatshirt, something like that. I've noticed it. Those are the 5 things that I would keep in my arsenal when I'm selling. And then again, I just want you to keep this top of the mind. When you get into your slow seasons, me personally, I do print on demand. You can do a lot of different things, but print on demand I found to be very easy. It's free to sign up. And then if you connect it to Etsy, it only costs you 20 cents. And you just design that product, you upload it. And this can be a very, very easy thing, especially if you have a following. So if you have a question about any of those things, like how to build a Facebook group, how to build a following on social media, how to do print on demand, any of that stuff, if it's going to help you to do better in your business, then I want to try to help you. So comment below and let me know. Also, if you made it this far, then comment big cheese. So then that's our secret code word, big cheese. All right, y'all have a good one. Thanks. Bye.